Well, good day, everybody. Welcome to Gas Hopper's channel. We've got a few boats in the shop, a few more stuff that's in the works here. But have you ever had a bunch of leaks like this happen to you? Well, I've got a product here that I'm going to show you guys. It's going to save you a bunch of time and a bunch of patching, which is money in your pocket. So stay tuned and follow along. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and let's fix this boat here. Now, I don't normally like to do these product demonstrations, but this product here is fantastic. So as you can see, I'm spraying down the keel tube here. Gonna show you guys where all the micro leaks and porosity leaks are on. stuff right here, Super Seal. Get it at our website anytime. I've seen it on eBay. You know, I don't endorse products unless they're paying me or unless the product's that damn good. And guess what? This stuff is that damn good. And they're not paying me. So, I will endorse this. But, like I said, you guys can get it. Try it yourselves. Save yourself a couple bucks in your pocket. But yeah, stay tuned. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next video because we've got some big things coming.